Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a newcomer, so this will be the first appearance for Rike Knives here on my channel. Yes, I know I'm probably a little bit late to the game. Rike Knives are by now well established out there in the knife world. They have a really huge following, and they make beautiful knives and beautiful designs. You can follow them also probably on Instagram and also on Facebook. They will give you a nice fiber cloth for cleaning. Pet it inside of these two compartments. Really nice value here. Okay, so as you probably know, Rike Knives are making those really nice custom looking high-end production knives with Damascus, beautiful colors, patterns, everything all day every day. And this one, the M3, is more a production line, or should I say more a value oriented, also value priced product, because it will not cost you hundreds of dollars, but only 169. But let's talk about the price a little bit down the video. Okay, so firstly, this is the Rike Knives M3. It comes in three variants, so brown, black, green. I saw somewhere also a limited edition carbon fiber, but don't quote me on that. Maybe it was just a one-off. And I opted for the green one. All of them have different accents and hardware. So this is the blue, beautifully done, anodized, and this greenish anodization on the titanium. This is titanium, of course. So let's talk about the specifications. This is the first thing I would like to mention. This is a really nice and large knife. As you can see, the design is more on probably tactical design, given that yes, it also has a let's say something like a wave feature like the Emerson knives. But let's talk about the specifications. So we have an overall length of 23.4 centimeters or 9.2 inches, which is really nice and large. The blade length is 9.8 centimeters or 3.8 inches. The blade width is 3.7 centimeters or 1.45 inches. The blade thickness is 3.8 millimeters, almost 4 millimeters, which is 0.15 inches. The blade steel is made out of 154 cm, hardened to 58 to 59 HRC, and it has a beautiful mirror polish. Handle length is 13.1 centimeters or 5.1 inches, and the handle width is 2.6 centimeters or 1 inch. The handle is made out of titanium plus G10, of course, and the overall weight of the knife comes in 134 grams or 4.7 ounces, so under 5 ounces for a 9.2 inch knife. So really well made. And this is of course down to the extremely nice milling pattern on the inside and also outside of the blade. So let's see the features. So it has only two features. So one, of course, is the lanyard hole, which is outside here. So for everybody who is like to carry a lanyard, you can go through this one. And also it has a hole here right now, and I will try to take out a bit here out of my screwdriver so you can see. You can fit the standard Torx bit and you can screw with it. Okay, so nice addition. I don't know if I ever use this. I have lots of screwdrivers around the house. So it rides on KVT ball bearings, perfectly smooth, perfectly centered. Another nice feature here is the ball bearing inset in the pocket clip. If I'm not mistaken, the first custom knife maker who invented or did use a ball bearing on a pocket clip was Todd Beck. Yeah, Todd Beck from Rike Knives, and it functions perfectly. So it lessens the tension while putting the knife inside the pocket. So beautifully. Also, the pocket clip is nicely designed at the end of the knife, so it will stick only partially, and you can see the green is nicely hidden, surrounded with the blue jeans. Maybe if you have black pants, this also will function. But then of course you can get the black G10 version, which will have a black stone wash. As you can see, the wave feature is functional. So let's try it once again. So, and if you are opening it with a fast pull, then it will of course open completely. So you have also a quick draw feature right there. It has a nice lock, so you can lock your hand. Also a nice frame lock, of course, but a nice locking feature for your hand. So this will completely protect your hand. The wave feature is also functional as a blade catch, of course. If you are coming in a situation where you need to block blade, it will catch the blade and you can hook it over and disarm your opponent. I would strongly suggest not to do it if you are not proficient or trained with these kind of knives, but the option is there. Okay, so the blade is beautifully mirror polished, so yes, this will catch all sorts of fingerprints and smudges, but yeah, it's beautifully done. I would probably suggest to Rike Knives that they maybe on the second batch they use some kind of nice stone wash or acid wash just to make this knife more EDC friendly. Or should I not say EDC friendly, but more low maintenance for the user, because the fingerprints and smudges will, some of you will freak out. So yeah, we have few informations on the blade. So there is the serial number, the blade steel, the model number, and the logo. I try to zoom in that you can see the logo and the model number. So this is a titanium frame lock with a insert which doubles as a oval travel stop. It has a really 50% engagement, beautifully made. Also the cutout is on the inside. Yes, this is how it should be, just because it will not grab your fabric like some users or some companies are making outside. No, this is not good. And yes, it was the Tucson 111. I love the knife, but I would wish the cutout would be on the inside. Nice grinds on the blade. Yeah. Overall beautifully finished, so I'm really looking forward what new models will Rike Knives produce. Okay, for size comparisons, let's put out firstly one also well-known knife, big Chinese knife manufacturer, the V Knives. So in my opinion, this is a killer duo, these two together. They're almost the same size. The V Chimera, Recon 1, my original or my first Recon 1 that I bought from Cold Steel, the Tento version. .710 from Benchmade. .940. Previously mentioned 111 from Tucson. Spyderco Endura. A large Griptilian. Bug Vantage Pro. A production Strider SMF. Oh, they should be the same size. Okay, so probably that is all that I have right now here on the table. So I hope you did like the presentation of the M3. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm looking forward to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you don't, then please consider subscribing. I try to publish at least 3 videos per week, mostly knives and gear oriented. And see you soon. Have a nice day.